I woke up late again today, and there goes my morning wake up time. But I guess my body needed the rest after the hectic session I had yesterday. Anywho, I decided to come and get some sun for a little bit today while I edit my videos by the pool. Oh my god, my legs feel like boulders literally. But I got like a semi-decent push day today. I realized because my protein intake has been low, it really impacted my strength. Guys, your protein intake really impacts your energy levels and your strength. Trust me on this. Anywho, done with drinking, I think 1.5 liters of water. So yeah. The last I checked my Whoop, I'd done about 3,200 or 3,300 steps. This was before my workout. I still have time to get the steps in. I think it's around 3:30, 3:40 right now. I am going to sit and edit. I got my work stuff with me. I love this. I love that I get to chill by a pool and edit my videos while getting a lovely tan. Okay. Also, I decided I'm not cooking today because that eats up in my productivity time, especially considering I woke up really late today. I really want to get done with editing this video, which I'm almost done with. And I'm still trying to decide whether I should publish today or build my content bucket first and then publish it. I'll take a call by the end of the day. Let's see. And yeah, those are the updates so far. See you later. Some protein and creatine. Okay, so I'm currently sitting and editing my video. It is day 2 of 60 days to monetization, and while I'll have this video completed today, I was contemplating whether I should publish it today or wait to create a content bucket for 2 weeks before I start publishing, just so that I have more room. The whole point of doing this was to not drive myself crazy with work and do it at a pace that I enjoy, which will also help with sustainability and consistency, right? So I have currently decided that I'm going to take this week until Sunday. We're on Tuesday today, so I'm going to take until Sunday to batch produce my content. Obviously, I'm going to continue with the challenge. We will start the clock of 60 days to monetization from the time that I publish. How I'm thinking, I haven't fully decided on that yet, but let's see. Or I'll just continue with this current clock, since I am laying the actual groundwork for it, which is recording and editing and strategizing. I did get a good 20-minute front and back tan though, so I am very excited about checking the color out after a shower. Which also reminds me, I need to go pick up another foundation to match this color, because my current foundation Dratin from Estee Lauder has become a bit light on my skin. It's looking a bit, it's not gone full ashy yet. It's looking a bit powdery, which essentially tells you that the color is a shade lighter. Time to get a new foundation. Also been procrastinating like a queen. I'm going to put my phone away now and edit. And then get some steps in before dinner. So like I mentioned earlier, I'm currently reading Breaking the Habit of Being Yourself. This totally applies to the 60 days to monetization. So I'm going to read this part out to you, which you can apply to your life too. Absolutely to anything, okay? Understand this concept. Listen. If you can imagine a future event in your life based on any one of your personal desires, that reality already exists as a possibility in the quantum field, waiting to be observed by you. This is on the basis of the double slit experiment. If you don't know what that is, please look it up. This is called the observer effect. If your mind can influence the appearance of an electron, then theoretically it can influence the appearance of any possibility. Just imagine that. Imagine that. This means that the quantum field contains a reality in which you are healthy, wealthy, and happy, and possess all of the qualities and capabilities of the idealized self that you hold in your thoughts. Stay with me, and you will see that with willful attention, sincere application of new knowledge, and repeated daily efforts, you can use your mind as the observer to collapse quantum particles and organize a vast number of subatomic waves of probability into a desired physical event called an experience in your life. I am so happy I'm rereading this book. I read it for the first time a few years ago, and I started applying the principles from it, and it has made the world of a difference. Like, it really, really, really has. It hasn't been an easy journey, but it's been so worth it, and I've learned so much along the way. I will make a separate video on the mistakes that I made while practicing the actionable steps given in breaking the habit of being yourself, so you don't have to repeat my same mistakes. And this journey becomes a lot easier for you, which is why I'm rereading it right now, so I can see if there's any of the principles that I'd forgotten that I can improve, get better at, which is basically a long-winded way of saying that we're going to get monetized in 60 days. I'm currently at 6,900 steps. I think a 15-20 minute brisk walk will do my legs good, as well as help me get my steps in. My protein intake for today so far is about, I think, 80 grams roughly, because I had 50 grams protein shake, about 35 grams in my dinner. My arm is hurting holding this phone and walking right now. I've had about 2.5 liters of water. I've edited one video. I think I'm gonna try editing one more video before I go to bed tonight. And yeah, it's been a great day. Quite a productive day. Also, I thought I was gonna go to bed early tonight because I've gotten everything ready on time. However, okay, we're not sitting, we're walking. However, I had completely forgotten that I had registered for this self-branding, personal branding class with Honya Kadar, which starts tonight. My reminder just went off and the group got active, and I was like, oh snap. And it starts at 10 p.m. 10 p.m. Oh. Anywho, so that's what I'm going to be doing. I will get my steps in, talk to my mom, go up, chill a little before the class starts at 10. I think it'll go on till like 11, 12. So I'll finish it and then go to bed. I don't think 5 a.m. it's going to happen. Holy Mother of Lord, I want to sit down so bad. It is unreal. I just hit my 8K mark though. Done editing a video. It's gotten exported. Now we'll go up, edit another one before the masterclass begins.
We need to fix that. And it's just because they're like so nervous about their messaging and how to show up that they just end up sounding like an expert and not like a human.
I don't want to just talk. It was to mindlessly follow all the rules, go to school, get a job, put your head down and work, and we didn't get what we were promised. Our second...
Honya's mentorship program is going for $2,500. She has a payment plan, but you have to pay $625 today to lock in, and you have 2 months to complete the payment. Funny thing in this moment is that I have minus 415 dirhams in my bank account. A year from today, $2,500 is going to be pocket change for me. To this very date. We will come back and watch this video. And smile because we did it. It's been super valuable so far. I love her energy. This would be super beneficial for sure. However, it's okay. She did it on her own. I can do it on my own too. It's currently 12:20. I'm feeling so sleepy, but I'm also feeling excited and judged. It's I literally just feel like staying up editing, but my body needs rest. My legs are feeling so sore. I have increased the intensity of my training, so rest is also important. I will edit tomorrow. It is currently 1:27 a.m. and I am still watching Hanya's live. But as soon as this gets done, I'm going to go knock out. I did the laundry. I washed the dishes while listening, while also taking notes. I'm super excited. She's given out gold. I'm on my friend's couch. Yeah. 1 year from now, the life situation is going to be very different. I'm going to be living my dream life. I'm going to be able to do things for my loved ones that I absolutely want to, whenever I want to. My debts are going to be cleared. We're doing this. And 6 months from now, 3 months from now, 2 months from now, who knows? I could be taking on Hanya's mentorship. Anyway, final updates for the day. I woke up at 10 a.m., not 5 a.m. Because I woke up so late, I had to pick up my phone and look at it because I had to order pre-workout and protein because my body was like just killing me from soreness. So ordered that and then put the phone away. I read non-fiction about 13 pages. I got an hour's session of strength training. I did push day today. My step count, I checked it a little while back, I think was at 9,700 or 9,800. I'll probably walk around a little to hit that 10K mark before I sleep. I did eat clean. I didn't get 100 grams of protein, but I got maybe about 80-90 grams of protein, so not bad. Less amount of fiber, but I got fiber in. Healthy fats came in with the food. In bed by 9 p.m. Clearly, no, it's 1:31 right now. But it's okay because I stayed up learning something that I didn't know. I know now where I need to tighten so I can make the content better. And this is me tracking my progress. Subscribers are still at 616. Watch hours 0, videos published 0, revenue 0. I did finish editing a video today, though I've probably mentioned it earlier in the day. I really can't remember right now, but and I showed like bits of it to my brother. It's the most basic editing, but I don't even care right now. Priority is to get into full-time content creator mode, publish consistently across all the platforms, and yeah, that's what we're going to be doing for the next 60 days, getting into that zone. It's Tuesday today. I mean, Wednesday has started, but we're still on Tuesday. Day 2 of 60 days to getting monetized. I'm gonna take until Sunday to create 4 long format videos and about 20 short form videos, and then I will start publishing from Monday. That's the plan. Locked in. Okay, I'm gonna finish with her live session whenever this ends and go to sleep. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I'll see you tomorrow.